to a new trading day here um, in the market. Okay, so we're going to be looking at a few trades that we took in the past few days that has really been doing well. And for those of us that are in positions, what to expect for the next um, um, day or two. It's currently Wednesday, and I took a long position on USDCAD, I think yesterday, of nice amount of profits right now. I think we're currently 52 pips in profits, and also I have a short position as well on Gbpusd, which currently is doing um, 40 pips right now. Okay, so I'm going to do a breakdown of what I'm looking at from this page right now, and yeah. So right now on inside of Gbpusd, we've seen that last week. So switch this because things that most people don't understand the black chart. People in our community understand when we use the black chart. Okay. So seeing how last week closed, it closed quite bearish last week, closing below 132,500. And with this being said, I'm going to secure that a retest. Okay, I said we could see a retest of 152,500 before we see a push to the downside. Now on the daily time frame, we saw this daily bullish move here, which more or less tells us the retrace coming in. We came into 152,500, spiked above here, but we couldn't sustain a close above it. So that was one of the signals probably you could see it selling for the next day. Okay, and also I was on the lower time frames, on the 1 hour, looking out for areas of support that could be broken to push price to the downside. So I was more or less looking out for lows like this, and here. Okay, so if you look at here, this was that area on the bullish day that went close above. So we traded above the lower than from traded below. We tested once, we tested again, and then we broke to the downside, which more or less gave me my execution signal. Now, in my opinion, this peg will go lower because from the daily, sorry, from the weekly, you can see the weekly is kind of pushing and pull down. Okay, so you can see trade below this goes. Okay, and you can see price push to downside now. Right now, we're at an area of support, which is with this low here. Minimum bar, so you guys can see that. So we have this low here. If we see a break below this low, we're looking at one 31250 being retested, but we have to break below this low, make a new lower high, then push it downside. So something like this. Okay, because even right here at the 0% Fibonacci could be an area where you see a retrace, you see a slight pullback before we make a push to the downside. So that's what I'm looking for on GPSC. Going down to USDCAD right now, I've more or less aligned straight free flow. Okay, in the sense that I don't really need to add any conditions. I'm just waiting to see. If the price gets to 142,500, I'll take my profits. Okay, wait to see how price reacts to this key level here. If it trades above, I'll go for the retest. So um, this is a decision area. Okay, if price gets to this region, I'll wait to see how price reacts. If we trade above, I'll wait for retest and then continue. If not, and we see some sort of reversal pattern, then I would more or less be going to sell short. But we have to let the market tell us what it wants to do. Okay, so on USD right now it's just a free floating um, type of move. Okay, and on Eurjpy I missed the trade. I don't know what I was doing. I think I was talking about a short trade that more or less happened very fast. Okay, so I was more or less looking for a short position from here. So I was more or less marking out support areas like this, like this, like this, and as you can see, boom, right here where the market gives us a signal to sell, and I missed that because I don't know I was just out of the gym. So with that being said, I'm still looking out for positions on this pair to push the downside. Right now, the market really isn't giving us any type of pullback, but seeing that we traded below the 4 hour candle trade below 183,750, we could wait for a slight retrace, which you can see the 1 hour is doing right now. And on the 30 minutes, we could wait for the price to push back into this region and then give us a signal to sell to the downside. Yeah, if not, the market still has, if you looking at the daily on this pair, you can see the high of the bearish move or the high of the bearish momentum is all the way up here. So the market still has all the way up here to retrace and see if it's good for selling. So we just have to be patient and watch how this pair more or less moves before selling. Okay, and yeah, right now you can see from this high, that's big. That's almost 100 pips. It doesn't have 100 people. So if you have 100 people for couple, which if we sell now, the market will still push to the upside for a deeper retrace before selling. So best thing to do is to wait and see how this here trades. So guys, have a good trading day and I'll check back with you guys.